Hey YouTube, sorry I forgot to upload a video last night. I was going to, but then it got really late because I was babysitting and time changed here. But I mean, it was still 6 o'clock, but I was so tired with the babysitting part. And yeah, and another thing about babysitting that you have to know, when the kids are potty training. I learned that yesterday. I made a lot of money, so some of it's going towards my Washington, D.C. trip at my school, and this school district, the two middle schools, my middle school, I'm not going to tell you the name of the other middle school, but the other middle school, so both of the middle schools are going to the Washington, D.C. trip. And tonight's the Seahawks game. Woo! Go Seahawks! Oh wait, in the comments, put Seahawks. Because we're trying to prove to one of my friend, Amelia at school, she does not like the Seahawks. She says Seahawks suck. They don't. I mean, I watched the Super Bowl, probably a few years ago. I watched the Super Bowl and the Seahawks won, basically. I think. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm on the channel when it's supposed to be on. It's 3:38 and it's coming out at 5. If they win, I'm going to tell you guys. So watch for another video. This is an after school vlog. I'm going to go find out how many vlogs I've been doing. Starting with the one with last week. I'm counting all the after school vlogs. And Zoe's in the hospital right now because she's sick. What? I made them up. Oh, and tomorrow's the presidential election. So. Seahawks! Seahawks! Woo! Oh, Thursday's a half day. Okay. After school vlog. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is after school vlog number 5. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry this was short. I'm going to get the girls ready, Nicole. We are going to be watching the game. So I may upload a video for Polar Bear Sisters on my channel. So I'm going to ask her if she still wants me to do it because she kind of burnt her mouth. No, not burnt her mouth. She burnt her gums while drinking some hot cocoa. That is a reminder to be careful how hot it is. That is a reminder to be careful. If you want to drink hot cocoa, you have to make sure it's cool down a little bit. You don't want to end up like my friend. So I'm going to ask Sam if I can actually upload a video to my channel because I will not be able to get access to her channel. So it'll be a video for Polar Bear Sisters. I don't know if she wants to do it today. Anytime when she's sick, she gets hurt, or she's... Oh God, guys, look at that! Look at... Oh my gosh, I caught it on the right timing. It's doing an EAS test. Guys.
Do you suffer from depression? The Northwest Clinical Research Center is looking for adult volunteers to participate in a research.
That was just a test, guys. I did not realize. That was timing! So this is after school vlog number 5. And an EAS test. I did nothing. I'm just watching some random shows on here until the Seahawks game come on. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And in the comments, put down Seahawks. And if any, as many comments as I can get. Because we're trying to prove to Amelia that Seahawks are awesome! It was at my school we support we love the Seahawks. So please like, comment, and subscribe.